Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope so you are fine. Look, here is Tipu. Tipu is in the jungle. There are so many trees are in the jungle. What is in the jungle? Tree. Very good. Wow. Look, here is a tiger. Tiger came here. Tiger say, Tipu, what are you doing here? Tipu say, I am here for tomatoes. Do you have some tomatoes? Please give me some tomatoes. Tiger say, okay, come with me. Then Tipu and Tiger go to Turtle. And Turtle have some tomatoes. Turtle give the tomatoes to Tipu. Tipu take the tomatoes and say Allah Hafiz to Tiger and Turtle and come back to his home. Tipu put the tomatoes on the table and wash his hand under the tap. Okay class, this story is all about Tipu, tree, tiger, table and turtle. You know these are all the friends of T. T. And its sound is t, t, t. Very good. Okay class, now read with me. Teeter tiger, teeter Tipu, teeter tree, teeter tomato, teeter table, teeter tap, teeter turtle, teeter turtle. These are all the friends of T and its sound is t, t, t. Okay class, now we will learn the formation of T. Up to down, make a tail and cross it. Up to down, make a tail and cross it. This is T. This is T. And its sound is t, 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 t. This is all about your lesson. Hope so you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel. Okay, Allah Hafiz.